In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google Drive. Many of us rely on Google Drive to store and manage our photos, and knowing how to easily download them is incredibly useful. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not, open your browser and head over to drive.google.com. Sign in using your account details, and you'll soon find yourself navigating through your Google Drive interface. This is your main hub for all your files, and from here, you can access not only photos, but documents, videos, and more. Familiarizing yourself with this layout can enhance your productivity and efficiency as you manage your files. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the folder or file that contains the photos you want to download. This might seem straightforward, but considering how cluttered Drive can become over time, using the search bar at the top is a nifty trick to find files quickly. Simply type in the keyword related to what you're looking for and let Google do the rest. After finding the specific photo or folder, you have a couple of options. If you want to download a single photo, simply right-click on the file. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for the Download button and click it. Google will automatically begin downloading the file to your computer. It's that effortless. Now, if you intend to download multiple photos at once, hold down the Shift key for consecutive files or the Control key for non-consecutive files while clicking on each photo you wish to download. Once you've selected all the desired photos, right-click on any one of them and choose Download from the menu. This process zips the files into a single folder, making it easier to manage the download. Once the download completes, find the zipped folder in your Download section. You can extract the files from the zipped folder to access your photos individually. A quick note, ensure that your internet connection is stable during this process. Inconsistent network connectivity can sometimes interrupt your downloads, leading to incomplete files. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded photos from Google Drive to your device. This skill can come in handy, especially when you want to keep backups of your favorite memories or need them accessible offline. Thank you for joining me today as I guide you through downloading photos from Google Drive. Feel free to explore other tools Google Drive offers. It's a remarkable resource for both personal and professional file management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Happy downloading!